The Brailwis, he's Hadhir Nadhir. He's present at all times at every place. The Brailwis, he's Hadhir Nadhir. He's present at all times at every place.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So Shaykh UTHMAN said that the Brailwis, in his sense, we the followers of Imam Ahmad Rida Khan, first of all we are Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'at. Imam Ahmad Rida Khan was Imam of Ahlus Sunnah, not a Brailwi. This is just the label you Wahhabi Salaf is putting on us. We are not new, we are the majority, Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'at. So he said, we believe that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam is Hadhir Nadhir. First of all, not only yes, follower of Imam Ahmad Rida Khan believe that he's Hadhir Nadhir, but the majority of this ummah. Now to his accusation that we followers of Imam Ahmad Rida Khan believe that Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam is present all the time, everywhere. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. What a gross accusation that is. So Shaykh UTHMAN, show us where and in which book did you read that? Book of Imam Ahmad Rida Khan or any greatest scholar of subcontinent who follows Allah Hazrat? And if you did not, then how can you claim that without even reading a single book of him? You are judging him just by the rumors, neither from his books or books of his real followers. And that is so bizarre. You are just like those Western politicians who shows ISIS and do brutal things to Muslims and say they are terrorists. You are just like them. Now let me educate you. The real Aqida of Hadhir Nadhir, of followers of Imam Ahmad Rida Khan and the majority of this ummah. Mufti Ahmad Yar Khan Naimi writes in his book Al-Hadhir wa Nadhir, and Allama Ghulam Rasul Saidi writes in his book Tawzihul Bayan, Sharh of Sahih Muslim. They both are the real followers of Imam Ahmad Rida Khan. They write, Hadhir Nadhir does not mean that the Prophet ﷺ is present everywhere. Rather, it means that the Prophet ﷺ views the actions of his ummah while he is in grave. He can go from his grave to other places where he likes. Spiritually, he prays for us. This is a simple Aqeedah of followers of Imam Ahmad Rida Khan. So where did this Aqeedah come from? Let me tell you that there's a lot of references we have from Quran and Sunnah. But right now, I'm going to keep it very simple, so it will be easy to understand for everyone, even for a layman. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said, it's a hadith in Musnad al-Bazar from 3rd generation. He mentioned this hadith in his Musnad with Sahih chain. And Qadi Iyad in his Ash-Shifa, and Allama Ibn Hajar Asqalani in Fathul Bari, Imam Haytami and many more muhaddithin in their books mentioned, he sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said, Hayati khairul lakum, wafati khairul lakum. My life is better for you, and my death is also better for you, because your deeds will be presented to me. If I see the virtues, I will be grateful to Allah, and if I see the vices prevail, I will pray for you forgiveness from Allah Azza wa Jal. This is the Aqeedah of majority of this ummah from all the time. You Salafi Wahhabis just putting words in our mouth just because you want to justify the filthy Aqeedah of your Imam Ibn Abdul Wahhab, who did the takfir of the majority of this ummah and killed a lot of Muslims from Ottoman Empire. Don't do that. This is just going to make happy the enemies of Islam. First read, then open your mouth. And it's not strange that you, the followers of Wahhabism, accused us of shirk, because your Imam Ibn Abdul Wahhab accused Adam alayhi salam of doing shirk in his book Kitab al-Tawheed. Then how can we be safe? May Allah Azza wa Jal make us the real follower of Quran and Sunnah and lover of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam, and give us istiqamah on the aqaid of majority of the Ummah, Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah. Ameen bijahid Nabiyil Ameen sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Now short message to the followers of Imam Ahmad Rida Khan. Please do read book of your Imam and books of your aqaid. If you do not, then they all are going to accuse you of shirk and bid'at, and you cannot do anything. So read and reply them.